Last 3 minutes and 55 seconds remaining in the fourth quarter. Game number 4 ng Oklahoma City Thunder versus Dallas Mavericks. Tied ball game at 86 all. May 14 na laban. And eto, Shai Gilgeous-Alexander, tatlong straight jump shot guys, pumapasok. Eto na naman si Alexander, mayak ng bola, pasa kay Chet. Okay, muntikan pang maagaw guys. Eto, Alexander recover the loose ball, goes in. Nilabas, Chet for 3. Bang! It's good! Para kay Chet from downtown. Okay, lamang Oklahoma, guys. Okay, here we go. Kyrie Irving, mayak ng bola ngayon. Irving goes in. Pull up, Jay. Short. Rebound para kay Chet. And eto na si Shai. Mayak ng bola. Pasa dito kay Jalen Williams. Okay, 9-0 run para sa Oklahoma. Lamang tatlo. Jalen Williams. Okay, nahanap nila si Alexander. Balik kay Jalen. Jalen goes in. Pull up jumper. Wala. Oh, may tulak kay Chet. Okay, pero hindi nakita ng referee, guys. 0 points ha, yung Dallas. Eto na, Doncic. Wow, love pass. Grabe yun ha. Si Derek Lively the second. Eto ha, nag-i-emotion to. Eto na si Jalen Williams, miyak ng bola. Pasa kay Alexander. Alexander goes in, nilabas. Dort for 3. Patay para kay Lou Dort from downtown. Eto, intense yung laban. 4 lamang Oklahoma. Home court ng Dallas. Okay, eto na si Luka, miyak ng bola. Luka goes in. Okay, nandyan si Chet.